Guys, this is a big week. This is a massive week because Bitcoin's either going to break out, probably has a terminal price, which is at $166,000, or we are going straight back down to the descending support line, which is minus 7%. And altcoins, unfortunately, this would be minus 14 to 21%. Here's what you guys need to be paying attention to, is not leaving the market. When I'm looking, I saw a video yesterday where I saw statistics of YouTube subscribers on YouTube videos of just absolutely plummeting, views going down like crazy. And I'm like, yes, because this is where the millionaires are made, because we don't leave. I've got a convenient schematic here mocked up for us of what I'm gonna talk about tomorrow. It is all going to be about rotation in the future forecast. Bitcoin is going to rotate into altcoins. BTC.D, do you guys know this? There is a descending resistance line on Bitcoin dominance that literally, if it hits this week and going into the first week of July, do you know that that's actually where the third touch is for a descending resistance line? And if you know the technical analysis behind this, when you have a trend that looks like this and you have a descending resistance line, this touch right here is the most predictable. What happens? Many people short. But for this, for Bitcoin dominance, what does it mean for altcoins? It actually means that the alt season could start. I'm not even joking, you guys. I'm not clickbaiting you at all. I'm gonna show you this tomorrow in the future forecast. Tomorrow morning, you're gonna see why this week's candle close could actually place us at this level here, and it's the last time to grab altcoins. Because we're gonna corroborate this with other data. Do you guys know what BlackRock is doing right now? Do you guys know what Liberty Financial is doing right now? President Trump's wallet, these guys are doing something staggering right now. I saw this data the other day and I'm like, it blew my mind. I was talking to another buddy. I'm like, dude, you have to see this when it comes out. Because if you guys understand what's happening with rotation, look guys, millionaires are not made by ever timing the top of cryptocurrency. They are always all made by timing the lows. This is why there's other channels out there that say, don't leave. Lady of Crypto, Alex Becker, all these guys are saying, this is the time to be paying attention. Like lock in, guys, right now. Some of you need to hear this. You're like scrolling through YouTube and you're just having fun, like you're, oh, the bull market will take over. No, you got to lock in right now, because those 10x gains that you're looking at and people are telling you online, those 20x gains you're like, you really want to see in your portfolio because you know it's going to change your life. There is no way you take advantage of those unless you stick around right now and you time this bottom. There is a duration of time, guys, that's coming, and it's getting shorter and shorter and shorter. Every day in a bear market is one day closer to a bull market. You guys know that, right? When this thing launches, you are going to look back in time and be like, darn it, I really wish I would have stayed focused and paid attention for those last 2 to 3 weeks, because the exponential growth on your portfolio is going to be insane. When you see behind the scenes tomorrow of what I'm going to show you guys, and you see the accumulation that's going on right now, you're like, what the heck am I doing not paying attention? Guys, I've been up till 1 o'clock the last few nights looking at this data, understanding this, working through the weekend, when I probably should have been taking a little bit of time off. But I understand that if I can dial in and I can lock in right now, very close to the bottom, this is where my account's going to explode. I have $1.3 million in cryptocurrency, guys. I am we're about $250,000 now in profit on our account, and we've already taken out $130,000 of profit this year, while most people are down 50 to 60% in their accounts. How do we do this? I will share every sell, every buy that I make. It is in what we call a future forecast. The link in the description, guys, is going to tell you about the indicator sale we got going on. I'll share that with you in just 1 second. But the membership, this is where I want you guys to be sitting. It is going to be July 1st. I'm going to come out and share with you guys everything I see. You are going to go from the retail trader that looks at charts to be pulled behind the scenes. The veil's going to be separated, so to speak, and you are going to see the data of the money rotation that's happening. I will tell you and I'll show you guys what I am buying that is going to, I think, make the most coming up here in this cycle. You guys are going to be prepared and see what is about to come next. The next 3-4 weeks are so insanely important because this is where millionaires are made. If you guys want to retire in 2025 or 2026, you have to lock in right now. This is the time to be doing this. Very quickly, guys, as Trade Confident, I'm very humble and blessed. I know the Lord gave us wisdom to accomplish this. Without a doubt, we are 294 wins and 0 losses in our trade setups. You will get access to all the trade setups. When this alt season takes off, you are going to see this explode past 325, 350, because we're going to start calling out trades. We've been in a lull right now where our buy limits on our trade setups are getting hit. Guess what? Everybody in those buy limits, they're grabbing the best prices out of anybody in the market right now. They're going to be the happiest. But get ready for this to skyrocket. And we have an open ledger to the public of every trade that we have taken. We are very, very transparent with everybody, okay? Let's just load here for a second. I think I might actually already have it loaded here. So when you guys come to Trade Confident, I'm sorry, this is just a black screen here right now. You guys are going to be able to take advantage of many different things. The future forecast of where I trade my own money. You'll see that. The total performance of what we've done on our trade setups. And I promise you guys, there it is. I promise you guys it's here. You guys will see how to trade this strategy. We are also coming out this week. Jake is going to come out with a masterclass on YouTube of how we've actually accomplished this. One of the reasons why we're doing that is because we're running a sale on the indicators this week. I'm very transparent, guys. We charge $4.99 for our Pro Pack. We are going to give you guys $250 off on top of the $4.99 that's already discounted when you guys become a member. The membership is $65. Let me do the breakdown. Membership is $65. Use the coupon code in the description. We're going to give you 25% off. It's $49. That $49, we're going to pay you back 5 times the amount and give that discounted to you on the Pro Pack. This is what we have used to go 294 wins and 0 losses. We are then going to give you guys $400 off the top and bottom fighter that's already discounted to $749. You can look at the testimonials yourself from all of the members that we have using the indicators. All right? We're then, like I said, going to come out with a masterclass this week. Jake's going to do this where he's going to walk through and show you guys how to look for trade setups and show you how we're doing this. This week, guys, is a lock-in week. Lock in, guys. You'll see what I'm doing with my $1.3 million portfolio, how I'm going to capitalize on this market to make an insane amount of money coming up here because we're not leaving in the bearish market in a bull market. You're then going to get the indicators on sale. We're going to come out with a masterclass, and you are going to learn how to extract money out of this market in a safe way, while also looking for and finding those 5 to 10x gains in the market that I truly believe is coming up. And I'm going to back it up on top of that and show you guys the money rotation from BlackRock that proves that it's coming. Everything you guys need to see to go to the next level in your trading, to set yourself up for retirement, to make those millions of dollars you guys want, that I believe I truly am going to make myself in front of you guys and with you guys, lock in this week. Get the membership, use the discount, get the indicators, use the discount, and I'll see you guys in the future forecast tomorrow morning, and I'll release that at about 9 a.m. Pacific time. That is all going to be released under here in the future forecast on July 1st. I love you guys. Pay attention. This is where millionaires are made. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning.